Are you looking to protect your invention globally? The simple answer is to file a PCT application that covers more than 152 countries. We at Intepat take essential steps to file your application and also National Phase PCT Application. We utilize ePCT that enables the process simpler and quicker, but also tracks your application to ensure to protect it in PCT member countries. A PCT application process includes 3 essential steps. Step 1. Submit your application with your patent specification. Step 2. Get your search opinion to know patentability of your invention. Step 3. Enter into National Phase applications in the member countries where you want to seek protection within 30 or 31 months. Entering a National Phase application in India through Intepat not only provide techno-legal expert advice but also ensure the deadlines are not missed using our preparatory tools. The steps involved in National Phase PCT in India mainly includes 1. File Indian patent application claiming priority of your PCT application. 2. File a request for examination. 3. Patent examiner sends an examiner report. 4. Respond and comply the requirements imposed in the report. 5. Attend a hearing, if any, for discussion with patent examiner. And finally, your patent granted. The official fee for filing a national PCT in India starts just $94 for an individual and $470 for a large entity. So what are you waiting for? We at Intepat can help you file your PCT application, National Phase PCT Application in India, and continues with fast, courteous responses to all of your inquiries, and ends with your PCT application being safe, secure, and fully protected. Don't just take our word for it. We have a range of clients who have shown incredible levels of satisfaction for our expertise. Intepat, unleashing business opportunities. Call us today or email us at contact@intepat.com.